In current 5G networks, 5G RedCap can be implemented through software upgrades on the carrier side. Because RedCap uses the same frequency bands as 5G, the actual towers and physical deployment does not need to change. This is a major benefit of 5G RedCap.
RedCap is just a really exciting technology just from the carrier's perspective. AT&T actually became the first carrier in June of this year, June of 2024, to introduce 5G RedCap into the IoT sector. Commercial service is now available in areas like Dallas, and there's plans to spread it all along the West Coast with full deployment across the country in 2025.
But of course, there are challenges that people are going to face in deploying these RedCap solutions. One thing that comes to mind for me is if you're using existing network infrastructure and you're adding a device that uses a reduced bandwidth, you want to manage the network in a way that these lower bandwidth devices don't harm the throughput of the full featured 5G devices. So there are challenges, but they're known and being worked on now.
Any sort of new technology implementation, we see there's always going to be a kind of lag in terms of mass adoption, just because it's trying to get the technology stabilized, and it's hard to get customers moved to a new technology if they're currently happy with one they have. Different carriers are making sure that the RedCap devices work seamlessly with the existing 5G infrastructure that you kind of mentioned before, so that there's no drops, no interruptions, and things can be grow further and further.